the game, and I was gonna say close yourself. And let me show you how to make a tornado.
Follow my
First, go
directions
to
so you
inventory,
understand how to make a tornado.
make a creeper, response and clones, and do not make them. Absolutely, you have to go to an open area with no things. Spawn a wire them. But if you use the creatures, put them out, it's like a tornado. So in orbit, they will circle around. Amazing. And it doesn't look like a tornado to me. So when we shoot them out, quickly escape, we'll see what happens. You see the difference? Now, we don't know how to make it. So we need extra ones to make the, the tomato much longer. Use the creepers then to make extra ones outside. And then when we shoot the orbit, it will not make a tornado. However, you can also make anything with these, like this. It's no way to make a tornado, but you can make this. Amazing circle, which actually circles around you, speedily fast. Will understand, but I'm in a shock.